Hello YouTubers. As you can see when you tuned in, this is a short video. This is the first one in a long series of videos that I want to make for you about how to make money online. I've been an online marketer for over 20 years. I started well before the year 2000 and I've made a lot of money. I've made a lot of websites. I've had over 103 domain names. I've sold many websites, made a lot of money doing it, and I retired. But you know what? Since my beard got white, I decided maybe I should come back on and teach what I know. So I'm going to start making these videos. It's going to be about email marketing, some to do with YouTube videos and how to sell emails, how to sell with YouTube, with doing marketing. I'm going to do experimental things like Amazon Influencer. I'm signing up for that. I'll tell you how that goes along the way. Maybe they'll accept me, maybe they won't. You never know about Amazon. So I've done a lot of work with Amazon, I've done a lot of work with eBay, and just a lot of things over the years, and bought and sold domain names, websites, lots of things like that. But mainly it's going to be about email marketing, because I feel like that's the easiest thing to make money with. And if you do it right, you will make good money. And YouTube videos are helpful, and all you need is a cell phone. And everything else is pretty much free as far as editing software and all that sort of thing, transferring it over to your desktop or your laptop and then uploading it to YouTube. It's all pretty straightforward. After you do your first few, you'll catch on to it real quick. Anyway, I'm going to cut it off short here. I'm going to encourage you to give me a thumbs up, save it somewhere pass it around. Of course, subscribe. And I tend to reward those who subscribed early on my list and on my email or YouTube videos. And so anyway, join and let's take this ride together. Let's all make some good money, and may God bless you, everyone.